How to hide activity status on TikTok. So if you don't want your friends, your followers, or following list to know you're online on TikTok, you can easily hide your activity status on your TikTok account so that no one will know that you are active online. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to disable or turn off active status or activity status on TikTok, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the TikTok app. So we assume you are on the For You page, which is the TikTok feed. Now go ahead and click on the inbox icon. Once you select the inbox icon, you can see my activity status is currently off. Now to turn off your own activity status, click on the inbox icon like this. Then this is what you're going to have. You should see your activity status is visible to friends. Show your friends, followers you followed back that you're active now or recent active, who can see your activity status. Now, to disable active status or activity status on your TikTok account, just go ahead, click on the drop menu. Once you see this icon that indicated that you're active online, click on it. Then once you click on that, locate activity status and disable it. Then instantly, your activity status will be disabled on TikTok. Close this. Now, all your friends on TikTok or followers no longer be able to find out whether you are currently active or not. And once you're done, you can exit the TikTok page and continue with your normal activity or keep solving the TikTok profile. So that is basically how to turn off or disable active status on TikTok or activity status on TikTok. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.